Hi neighbors, how are you today? I hope all is well. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are making Grandma's Weekend Casserole. We're calling it Grandma's Weekend Casserole because my mother-in-law gave it to me. Late 80s, early 90s, she showed me how to make this dish in the slow cooker, and I searched for it online. I didn't see it, so I thought I'd share it all with you today. So basically, I'll go over the ingredients right quick first. So we have carrot, turnip, potato, a pound of lean ground beef, onion, garlic. It calls for celery. I don't have any, so I'm going to improvise with something else. You need a can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken or cream of celery. You can use 2 cream of mushrooms or 2 cream of celery or 2 cream of chicken, or mix it up. I'm going to use cream of celery since I don't have celery to put in the dish today. Cream of mushroom, some frozen corn, a can of cream corn. I took the liberty of getting started. I put a pound of lean ground meat in here. You can use lean ground beef, lean ground chicken, turkey, pork, whatever you decide. So about a pound of lean ground beef in there. I'm going to put in a whole onion. The onion wasn't very big. I would say medium to small. Salt and pepper that to taste. Now I'm going to crush up a couple of cloves of garlic. So we've been keeping busy just cooking and cleaning. It seems to be our daily routine. So my lean ground beef has been frying for a couple of minutes there. You just want to soften up the onions a little bit before they go in the slow cooker. So the carrots, I like cutting them on an angle, and they're about 1/2 inch thick. I cut up peeled and on an angle so that they cook evenly, about 1/2 inch. I'm just going to wash these up in the water here. So we peeled, washed, and cut on an angle 3 medium-sized carrots about 1 inch thick. We cubed up small cubes of turnip, about 2 cups almost, 1.5 to 2 cups. And the turnip, I peeled it and then I made a flat side so that it doesn't take off on me when I'm trying to cut it. I sliced it off a few pieces. And you want these to be cubed. You're going to have about 1.5 cups of turnip. Cube them up. We peeled, washed, and quartered about 8 potatoes. Okay, so now we went over all the ingredients. Now we're going to put in half of our vegetables. Okay, so we got those in there. Then we're going to put in half of our meat mixture. Or a little bit more than half that. And put in our corn.
If it ends up being mixed, I guess that's okay too.
Yeah, it's going to end up, when you scoop it out, it's going to be mixed, but we're layering it. Now we put in the rest of our vegetables. Okay? The rest of our meat that has our onion and garlic and that in it, all that goodness. Now, excuse the mess here. I'm going to pour over the cream corn. You can soak this textured vitamin protein in some chicken stock until it absorbs, and then dump it in there for your meat instead. Okay. So before I dump the cream of soups in, I'm going to mix them so they don't just plop over. I like to kind of spread it over the top. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there so I don't waste that. Okay, so because I recently I did that like this here so I can just kind of spread it over a little easier.
Seems healthy. To an extent. I mean, it's...
Yeah, except for the cream of soups. You can get a low sodium cream soups, you know, and it would be a little healthier. I know it doesn't look appetizing yet, but it will be, and it will be delicious, guaranteed. Guaranteed. We're going to put it on high pressure for 5.5 hours.
Whoa. That's a long time.
I know, that's why I wanted to hurry up and get it started. You can check it in 3.5 hours, and if it's soft, and you're waiting for the vegetables to get all soft. The meat's already cooked, we fried it up. So you want the vegetables to be all soft, but it usually takes about 5.5 hours on high, or about 8 hours on low. Okay?
So Harrietta's gonna have to wait a while for her dinner.
Yep. We's all gonna have to wait a while. I gotta clean up. And we'll have you back when it's done and we're ready to throw it on a plate, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So we'll see you in a few hours. Okay, welcome back. So it's been 4.5 hours, 5 hours, and I'm in my jammies now because I'm really tired today. So that's why the change of clothes. So it's coronavirus time. Don't need to be going out. So you can wear jammies. You can wear a dress. You wear a ball gown. You can wear your jammies to dinner. It don't matter.
All right.
And who's going to do the taste test?
I feel like this is something that I ate a lot growing up.
Yeah, you did. I didn't make it a little while, but
yeah, but like it's nostalgic.
It's definitely something that you guys had quite a bit of. I used to make this.
So it's pretty good. It's
often.
something that's sweeter than you'd think.
Yeah,
in a way, even though it's obviously not that sugary or nothing. But
no, it's not like
sweet
as
vegetables. Like it was basically
corn is sweet.
The one
so
way,
the sweetness of the corn comes through for sure.
This is kind of the one way that you can get certain people to eat vegetables.
Oh yeah, Andrew used to love this.
Yeah.
Andrew used to love it with crackers. Actually, he loved eating it with crackers.
So.
But yeah, you can the sweetness of the cream corn and the kernel corn, it just gives it that little bit that the pickiest of eaters, I guarantee. Yeah. I guarantee.
Yeah.
They'll probably.
You did that 2 times now.
Yeah,
Is that a quote from something?
Yeah.
What is it
from? Back in the 80s, there was a chef cook on TV. He used to say that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we've
do you want to taste it?
That's okay. Just taste test it, because this is something that basically we already.
Yeah, like we had this many times, but I actually really hope that you all try it, because you're gonna like it. And like I say, you can use the textured vitamin protein, or you can use ground pork or what have you. And we're gonna have it this evening with my homemade mustard cabbage pickles and homemade beets. But anyway, time for a taste.
Homemade mustard cabbage pickles.
Yeah.
And beets.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, your dad loves that stuff. Yeah, so the cream of celery or cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, whatever you decide to put in, it definitely adds creaminess, of course, but it's almost like a bit of a gravy for this. So, I love turnip. Man, I could have put like a humongous amount of turnip in this. So, anyway, in the description box below, under the video, you'll see a little arrow. You click the little arrow, it'll bring you to the description box, and it'll have the ingredients that you need and how long you have to slow cook this for. Yeah, and so don't worry if you didn't, write it down or follow the video completely. It'll be in the description box below. Okay, so anywho, thank you all for coming. I really appreciate you taking the time, and enjoy. Please make and let me know if you tried it, and send me a little message. Okay? Take care all. Have a good one.